Are you looking for the best vacuum cleaners for Oriental rugs? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuum cleaners for Oriental rugs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kenmore Elite 21814. At the top of the list ranks the Kenmore Elite 21814, and rightly so. The vacuum cleaner comes with a bagged canister and allows swift and thorough cleaning of all surfaces in your room, kitchen, car, or den. There are also multiple attachments that come included which help in vacuuming different areas. If you've got a pet in your house, it's bound to leave hair all around, and your Oriental rug must be full of it. With the 21,814 unique motorized attachment, lift pet hair and suck the dirt from your bedroom rugs within seconds. In addition, the control panel has an LED indicator that lights up when the dirt bag is full. The handle can be extended up to 11 feet and the smaller part in the front can be detached if you're looking to vacuum in smaller/tighter areas. Number 2. Shark Rotator TruePet Upright. Next in line is this vacuum cleaner with a dust cup capacity of up to 1.5 quarts. The upright design allows you to perform in-depth cleansing of your carpets in the room. The front attachment of the vacuum cleaner also comes off in case you're looking to do some above-floor cleaning. It is known to trap 99% of the dust particles within itself. It comes with a pet brush as well, perfect to suck out pet hair from your Oriental rugs if you've got dogs or cats. The control panel is right on your fingertips for your convenience. Furthermore, the latest dynamic swivel steering technology helps in maneuvering the vacuum cleaner around in tight spaces with obstacles. Number 3. Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson is a well-known brand when it comes to electronic appliances. The dirt bag capacity of the cleaner is around 0.55 gallons and has the suction power more than conventional vacuum cleaners. The head of the cleaner adjusts itself according to the obstacles and sucks the dust particles from your rugs, carpets, and tiled floors. Not only this, but the vacuum is also based on radial root cyclone technology. The air channels move in a radial formation which maximizes the capture of microscopic dust. It focuses on the latest ball technology as well. This helps in moving the electronic machine around without putting too much pressure on your wrists. With a low center of gravity, you get increased stability. Number 4. Miele Classic C1. Germany is known for quality engineering, and the Classic C1 by Miele is proof of that. The suction power of the vacuum stands at a staggering 1/200 W with the option to switch between 6 different levels according to the surface you're cleaning. It can be easily moved around your house, can clean underneath your sofas, and ensure the room is cleaner than before it got there. Also, the combination floor head works well with both the hard floor and the Oriental rug you've laid out. You can quickly switch modes from hard floor to carpet by pushing a switch using your foot. The filter bag, air exhaust filter, and the motor protection filter all ensure that you get maximum filtration. Number 5. Electrolux EL4021A. Lastly, it's the silent performer, the bagless canister. With a 3-in-1 crevice tool, you get your work done much quicker. The vacuum produces minimal noise and focuses on silently cleaning your rugs without disrupting others in the room. With this, you get up to 99.9% of the pollutants sucked inside, leaving your room with fresher air. Moreover, the multi-surface cleaner works well on bare floors as well as rugs full of dust and pet hair without making a sound. It can be stored in 2 positions, whatever you find more convenient. It comes with an easy empty system to take out the dust bag and a control switch to adjust the speeds.